Hi guys, welcome to another episode of DIY project presented by Cash Design Studio. In this episode, we will show you how to make a concrete table. This is the list of material required for this project.